Hi everyone, today I just wanted to quickly show you my new colour changing nail polish, mainly because it's blown my mind and I thought you might like it. I'm not sure how much this cost because it was a gift, but this is Masura nail polish in the shade Waterfall, and this was purchased from the site Hypnotic Polish. I also received this nail polish in a dark teal and a colour changing purple, which I'll show you in a future video. When this nail polish is warm, it's a really light silvery blue with baby blue holographic glitter. And when it's cold, it turns into my favourite colour, which is this beautiful turquoise shade. Because my body temperature is usually around 1000 degrees, I'm probably not going to get to see the turquoise shade very often. And at first I was pretty disappointed, but to be honest, the more I look at this light shade, the more I'm absolutely loving it. It's just got Queen Elsa written all over it. You may have seen other colour changing nail polishes on this channel before, but those were gel polishes and this is just a regular polish. So as usual, I just applied one layer of base coat, 2 layers of polish and 1 layer of top coat. And I think this is absolutely stunning. Let me know in the comments section what you think of this nail polish and if you have one similar. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye!